So in terms of what we're going to discuss today, we're going to discuss some key changes to the Fair Work Act via the Secure Jobs, Better Pay Act. We're also going to discuss some key changes via psychosocial risk regulation, as well as changes through the Respect at Work Act that have come through as well. In terms of the changes to employment contracts, those will be weaved through the discussion points as part of the presentation today. So first of all, to the changes that have come about as a result of the changes to the Fair Work Act. I've only got sort of the four main changes up on this slide at the moment. So in terms of the prohibitions on pay secrecy, the key sort of dates to remember for this one is the 7th of December 2022 and the 7th of June 2023. Prohibitions on sexual harassment in connection with work. I've also got the key dates up on the screen there, which is the 6th of December, which we'll come to shortly, the 6th of March 2023, and also the start of the day that the International Labour Organisation Convention concerning violence and harassment comes into effect in Australia. In terms of fixed term contracts, that is a bit later down the track in terms of that change only coming into effect later this year, and with changes to flexible working arrangements from mid-year. Okay, so prohibitions on pay secrecy. Given that the objectives of the Act are effectively to be able to improve pay and conditions for workers across Australia, it's no surprise that one of the biggest changes that has come through as part of the suite of amendments is actually around prohibiting pay secrecy. And these changes are captured in Part 7 of the amending legislation. As of the 7th of December last year, it is now legal in Australia for employees to choose to disclose or to not disclose any information specifically relating to their pay and or terms and conditions of employment that are reasonably necessary to determine pay outcomes.